The time has come for us to sing a song of freedom. Free yourself of all the muck, the low vibrational frequency habits, beliefs, and thought forms that keep you small, and trapped in low density, in low vibration. It is time to release them all. Be free of them. They do not serve you. They cannot support you on your path to higher frequency, higher vibration. Make a choice right now, this instant, that you are on the path of freedom. It is what your soul wants for you. You have tools to release all that is not your authentic self. Use them. Make a choice on the tools and processes that excites you. Make it fun to release, and you shall make it a joyful act in releasing. Everything is of your choosing. Choose how you wish to release, choose how you wish to live your life, choose who you want to be, choose who you wish to be with. Choose, choose, choose. Choice is your strength, it is a powerful tool. With each choice you make, action follows, and a change takes place. So choose wisely. Align your free choice to divine choice and you'll find yourself on the path of your destiny. As you make choices and decisions that align with your true self, you shed more of who you are not, and you become more of who you truly are. Release is the key to becoming more of your authentic self. Give intent each day that you are becoming more and more of your authentic self, and you will. Don't go back to the old ways of being. Be the new authentic you. Show the world your true value, spirit on earth. It is time to sing your song of freedom. The freedom to be who you really are. We can't wait for humanity to claim this freedom. We stand by you, cheering you, encouraging you with every decision you make, with every change you experience. We honor the work you do on earth at this time. Many of you are on the verge of completing your tasks and tying up loose ends, so to speak. We are excited for you as you shift and change gear to a higher frequency. It is so. We are the Andromedans. Adonai.